Uniforms sound like they're gonna be really bad. You're just gonna have to constantly wear the same stuff and things. And in a way you are right, but they're not bad. If you're working for yourself for events, it's really good to have a uniform. It's a way of advertising, but also it's a way of making sure that you are presentable and you always have a consistent look all throughout. So if you're getting pictures taken of yourself for whatever reason at the event, then you're always getting the best, looking the best as well. Now, some things I've learned over the years is, one, it doesn't really matter what your uniform looks like. You can wear literally any color you want if it looks good. Or you can obviously dress up, so if like it's a wedding, you can dress up in a suit as well. However, I highly recommend do not do that because you just blend in. So a uniform is the best thing to do. Now personally, what I do is I have something like this. Now, if you saw that picture, I have a very simple uniform. It's all black and it has my logo on the front chest here, and it has my name, a number just so that people can see me, and my Instagram handle on the back. I personally did this because it's so simple to look at. So from the front, it looks very nice and plain. It looks very businesslike and it looks good. So having a big graphic, like something that goes all over your chest, I don't necessarily like, and I personally don't think it looks the best because it almost looks too informal and looks kind of like a graphic tee or a graphic hoodie or whatever, and it just does not look as professional. But having something even like this, granted this is AC/DC, but you know what I mean, like something that small where it's in the middle or it's on the one side, left or right, you have the best option and it looks good, minimalist, and just looks more clean for everyone to look at. Especially the older you get, the more likely it is that you need to present yourself professionally and you are going to be looked at. If you're younger, you could probably get away with the graphic stuff, but it still looks better on your image to have something that's more minimalist. I also personally want the black for my uniform because it serves a couple purposes. One, it looks really good in almost any light or any scenario because it's just so slimming. It makes you look better, taller, it looks good. Two, it doesn't get dirty easily. So if you're running around constantly, which as a photographer or videographer, you're going to be running around, then you don't want to worry about your clothing getting stained or messed up or whatever it is. And black will generally hide a lot of the dirt or whatever it is, even sometimes rips, it'll hide it and you won't have to worry about it. Granted, you can always make whatever color you want. I just highly recommend black because it just looks the best and has the best functionality out of everything. It serves a purpose. So the basic uniform I have is the shirt with the black pants. Simple, easy, and a nice pair of shoes, which I like because they're very indestructible. Check out my other video for my favorite pair of shoes for my work stuff. So what I have on me as well, all things, it's a fishing vest. But the good thing about a fishing vest is it has a ton of pockets and a ton of functionality with it. So the one I got, it actually has a bottle holder, so you can actually put a drink or whatever you want, regardless of what it is, and it'll hold it there or something. It's just very deep pocket, so you can put whatever you want in there, but it has a ton of pockets all throughout the front and even on the back. So the reason that's so good is because if you have things like this where lens caps where they constantly get misplaced or you don't know where you put them or you just don't want to deal with them and you need to take them and put them somewhere instead of your pockets, then the vest will serve a lot more of a purpose. Because at the end of the day, if you have a ton of stuff in your pockets, your pant pockets, it's going to get crowded, it's going to look lumpy, and you're also just going to be uncomfortable because you can't bend down easily. Now as well, when you're probably running around a lot, you're going to want to be comfortable. So a t-shirt's probably the best option because your t-shirt will not get hot or cold. It'll remain pretty much the same regardless of where you are, and you're not going to have to worry about putting your sleeves up or overheating or whatever it is. And also sweatpants. Sweatpants will also make sure that you have tons of functionality. They'll stretch so you're not bending down and then potentially ripping your pants. If you find sweatpants with tons of pockets, even better, because the more pockets you have, the more functionality you'll get over your entire outfit, and you'll just have to not worry about as many things like putting batteries in certain places. Highly recommend it. Now before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Alright, let's get back to the video now. Now personally, this is what I do, and I find that I get the best results because I'm more focused on what's happening in the moment rather than worrying about all my stuff being misplaced or just everywhere. Basically having to worry about things that I shouldn't have to worry about. I call this the Steve Zuck or Mark Jobs. I don't know, whatever one you want to go with. It's so much better to not have to worry about things. So if you don't know what I mean by that, then remember Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg. They're well-known people. I mean, rest in peace Steve Jobs, but Mark Zuckerberg, they do a similar thing where they wear the same outfit to everything they do pretty much. The deal behind that is you don't have to worry about what you wear each day and having to always like improvise an outfit to make it look good. It's a one outfit and you're good to go for wherever you need to. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below. And if you want to see any of my other content or just want to connect with me on a more personal level, then follow my socials here. You should see it pop up somewhere over here. And message me on there so we can interact more. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it and got some value out of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.